This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming power and a stable connection. You need the controller charged and visible to the system. Plug in with USB or pair via Bluetooth and make sure the device name appears. Once connected, install or update the controller firmware and drivers so vibration support is available. This prevents compatibility issues later. If prompted, allow device permissions. Doing this now saves time and ensures the system recognizes haptic capabilities before you move to software configuration. Now you access the system or Gamepad app settings to enable haptics. You open Settings, find Devices or Controllers, then locate the vibration or haptics toggle and switch it on. Make adjustments to intensity or choose a preset so you can feel differences. This matters because games read those values for force feedback. Once done, run a built-in vibration test if available to confirm response. If the controller app offers profiles, save one that matches your preferred feedback level for future sessions. Finally, you enable rumble in the game's audio or controller options, because many titles have their own vibration controls separate from system settings. Test feedback by triggering common in-game events or using a diagnostics tool. Feel for timing and strength. If vibration fails, first restart the controller and host, then update device drivers and firmware, check USB cables or Bluetooth range, and verify the game supports vibration. If problems persist, try another controller to isolate hardware versus software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.